Hi, this is Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create folder on Google Drive. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Google Drive is an excellent cloud storage platform for individuals and teams. You can use Google Drive to upload, share, and collaborate on just about everything from docs to spreadsheets, image, and videos. Best of all, every Google account receives 15 gigabytes of free storage. So, what's the best way to start moving files around? So what if you want to create folder on Google Drive? In this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Google Drive. To create folder, it's so simple. You can just tap on new on the plus icon in here. And you can find there is option like folder, uploads, scan, Google Doc, Google Sheet, and also Google Slides. Because you want to create a folder, you can just tap on folder. Now you can just create the folder name, enter the folder name. For the example, I will enter this name. Now I can tap on create. So here's your folder on your Google Drive. You can upload any file on this folder. It's so simple, right? So that is how to create folder on Google Drive. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.